In today's video, we're going to show you how to add live streaming video to your website using Restream, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Walt from Live Streaming Tech, and today Dale and I are going to show you how super simple it is to add live streaming video to your website using Restream.io. That is to say that you own the website or you have admin privileges. So before you continue on, just know that you need to own the site or have at least admin privileges to it before you can do what we're getting ready to show you. But first, let's get the sponsorship out of the way. That's right, today's sponsor is Restream.io. Right on? Yeah, right. We're going to show you a little bit on how to use Restream today, adding live video to your website. But I tell you what, there is many more features. Just like I love the chat feature that Restream has to offer. And it is even featured in their free version. If you want to check that out, type in livestreamingtech.com/Restream and go see for yourself. But let's get on down into it. Follow me. Okay, before I hand you over to Dale, where he shows you how to add live streaming video to your website, I'm going to show you first how to add your social media platforms that you want to add to it. The only reason why I'm showing you this is because certain ones you will have to have a certain amount. For instance, if you want to do YouTube and you want to embed that player whatnot on your website, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers to that channel or your channel at that time or more to be able to do this. So Dale could probably give you a little bit more details in this as well. So let's get on to this. If you want to skip ahead of this, you already have added them or you know how to add them, then go ahead and look in the timestamps down in the description and click on that and click on over to Dale. But until then, let me go ahead and show you real quick. This is super simple and easy. So first, let's go ahead and add our Twitter. As you notice, I have those open already in my browser at the top just to make sure that I have access to them. And we're going to go ahead and add Twitter Periscope. We're going to connect. We're going to log in. Okay, and boom. Now we're just going to click authorize. We're authorizing Restream.io to aggregate our live streams to, there we go, to Periscope. So now we have Periscope. Now we're going to go ahead and add another channel. We're going to go ahead and hit YouTube. Okay, so yes, we're going to go ahead and connect to YouTube. We're going to choose the account. Live Streaming Tech. We're going to allow. Once again, we're just allowing Restream.io to take whatever we're streaming and sending it to our YouTube channel.
Okay, so let's see how we can add the live streaming to our website. Just stick around to the very end because there's some pertinent information you're going to need to know, so that way we can kind of set your expectations when you are live streaming to your website. We're going to be using WordPress for this example, so in the event that you're using something other than WordPress, all you need to do is just Google up the instructions on how to embed code over onto your specific website. And also, you must aggregate out to various social platforms, at least having one of them, be it YouTube, Twitch, Periscope, Facebook, and more. All right, let's go over into your Restream dashboard, and you're going to select the 3 dots on the left-hand side, and then select Settings. Now select Widget Beta, and they're going to give you 3 window sizes of small, medium, and large. Select the size you want. I chose medium, it's just fine for me. Then I click the copy button. Now go over, log into your website, and you're going to create a post or a page. Just hit add new. Now access the text tab in the top right hand corner. And you're going to paste the embed code right here by pressing Ctrl-V. Now select the visual tab to see how it looks on your website. When you're ready to go, all you need to do is press publish. Now, this is not going to work unless you actually publish the post, and it might be a good idea to give a little bit of context to the people that are arriving there. I just kind of showed you how to put the video there. So let's say, for instance, you're going live at 3 p.m. on August the 1st. You might want to kind of put that there and talk about the specific topic you're going to cover. Now it's time to share the URL with all your followers over through social media or even through your email following. It doesn't matter. What you're going to do is go to your permalink at the very top of the post. You're going to right click on that and then select copy link address. And then you can just head on over to say like Twitter or Facebook and you just paste it on in there. We're going to press Control V and then tweet it out. It should be noted here, okay, when you're embedding this video player, it's for live use only. It's not going to do any kind of replay features. So this is a good static spot to set up your video player window when you're ready to go live. So maybe it could kind of be the same place you send people on a regular basis. It could probably be, here's my live stream in this particular spot. Once you're off your live stream, it pretty much goes back to the default window where it's going to have links to your various social media platforms. Now, once you have that player embedded there, you're ready to simply go live. And any encoding device that you happen to be using in coordination with Restream, you just simply go live and it'll be made available there. And actually even easier yet, if you don't know how to use encoding software, guess what? There is Restream Studio. You can actually just stream right from your browser. No tech needed. All you got to do is just kind of plug and play and it's ready to go. In fact, we talk more about it in this very next video right on over here, where we do a comparison between Zoom versus Restream Studio. Which one measures up? How do they look? Well, we're going to talk about that here, so I'll see you there.